So about a year ago, we planted about 4 fig tree plants that I think I got at Lowe's for like $10 to $15 a piece. And they were doing well last year. They grew quite a bit. And then all of a sudden this spring, it looks like they died. The fig plants actually had little buds on them, and we think that the rooster that was browsing our property was actually like maybe biting off the buds. But anyway, it seemed like it was pretty tragic for the plant, and it looked basically dead. And so we cleared some room around the fig trees to see if they might come back to life. And looky here, on 3 of our fig trees, they are actually sending out new shoots from the roots and growing, and it looks like they might survive. Here's another fig tree that's coming back to life from the roots. And here's yet another fig tree coming back from the roots. You know, last year we actually got, I think like 2 figs out of these fig bushes or fig trees, and they actually tasted pretty good. And so if you're not sure if your fig tree is really dead, you might want to just give it another year, water it regularly, maybe clear some room around the roots so it can send up a new shoot before you rush off to the store to buy a new fig tree. Thanks for watching and have a good day.